Welcome to Goodlife Physical Medicine, South Bay and Orange County's premier multi-specialty medical center. Goodlife has locations in Redondo Beach, El Segundo, Torrance, and Seal Beach. Our multi-specialty providers are highly trained in the examination, diagnosis, documentation, and treatment of simple and complex problems arising from injuries, accidents, or everyday life. Whether you are in need of physical therapy, a chiropractor, a pain management doctor, an orthopedic surgeon, or just a good massage, Goodlife has the answer for you. Patients benefit from streamlined care by having all specialties and diagnostic equipment under one roof. Our goal is to get each patient feeling and functioning better as quickly as possible. We typically utilize the most conservative care first and escalate to pain management or orthopedics only when medically necessary. Goodlife patients have access to our team of fellowship-trained doctors and surgeons who perform injections and surgical procedures at Goodlife Surgery Center. Goodlife Surgery Center is a fully accredited ambulatory surgery center which received the highest merits from AAA-HC. Accreditation from the American Association for Ambulatory Healthcare demonstrates our dedication to provide safe, high-quality healthcare services to our patients. From traditional pain management and regenerative medicine to minimally invasive arthroscopic and spine surgeries to robot-assisted knee and hip replacements, Goodlife has you covered. We accept most insurances, and we make the process easy for our patients by handling the entire billing process from A to Z. However, in cases where a patient's insurance is not accepted, we have a team dedicated to managing our patient's care and making sure that all financial conversations happen before treatment starts. Call now to schedule a consultation and evaluation at any of our locations. We look forward to meeting you.